So this is another way that we can use ChatGPT in a huge way. You can say, hey, ChatGPT, my niche is XYZ. What would be some good ideas for a short, to the point, actionable freebie, like a checklist or a template or a script for my niche to help my audience? And with ChatGPT, it can help you brainstorm. Another thing is to look at your actual channel competitors and see what freebies are they giving away. What freebies are working for them and really helping. That might give you some ideas as well, because that way it's based off what's actually already working in the market around that niche. But once you have your freebie idea, you're going to want to create it. So this could be something as easy as taking a tool or a template that you already have and giving it away for free, just like my YouTube script template. Like, I literally use that. But another thing you could do is, let's say, like something like a list. For example, I noticed a lot of my competitors had a list of all these different types of digital products. So I was like, oh, I'm going to make my list of 98 plus different types of digital products too. And I definitely had ChatGPT help me with that. I asked ChatGPT, what is a list of 100 different types of digital products? And I narrowed it down to what I found to be the best and most profitable ones. You can even decide or make something like writing a really small ebook for your freebie. Maybe it's like 3 to 5 pages. You can come up with the bullet points and then ask ChatGPT to actually write the ebook for you. And then you can use that as a draft. Anyways, once you have your freebie made, you're going to need your freebie funnel. Now, if you want access to my full email list builder toolkit, just comment free email list builder in the comments below this video, and I'll send you the link. This toolkit includes a free email list building funnel template, which is a page where someone can put in their name and email to download the freebie. Then there's a thank you page, and then you can set it up to deliver the freebie automatically to that person's email address. And they're going to get on your email list at the same time. So once you have your following set up and you're growing your followers, you're growing your email list at the same time with your freebie, next, you're going to want to create some emails. A really great place to start is just by sending a weekly nurture email. A weekly nurture email is just simply an email that you're going to send every week. It's a mix of a story and a lesson and a call to action to your digital products checkout page. Now, AI, like ChatGPT, can really help us with this. Think about some lessons that will be good for your audience around your niche. Then what you can do is put a little bit of details of the story, a little bit of details of the lesson. Then, of course, say, also to ChatGPT, make sure you put a call to action link to my checkout page as well. And ChatGPT can actually help you write these emails. Now, I recommend writing like 1 to 3 emails, scheduling them in advance, and you can do this by using System.io. System.io is a software I use to host digital products, create my freebie funnel, host my sales page, my checkout page, my email list, everything I need to make money with digital products and run my digital product business. And if you go in the link in the description below, there's going to be a totally free account for System.io. And I mean, it's not a free trial, it's a free account for up to 2,000 email subscribers. What's even better for you, especially if you're a beginner, is that I'm also giving you my digital product funnel template that you can import directly into your free System.io account with just one click. Now, this template is designed to eliminate the overwhelm and guide you through setting up your sales process. And it's completely free, and it's going to give you a massive head start. And I know some of you are like, oh my gosh, you're promoted so much. Well, these are all my free things that are directly related to what I'm talking about in this video. Now, I hope you don't feel like I'm selling to you, but I'm just trying to show you all the helpful resources of what you can do next, because I feel like I would be doing you a disservice if I didn't tell you. So when I say, hey, I have a free YouTube script template that you can use this for, or hey, you can get System.io for free and even get my one-click funnel template, I'm telling you this because I definitely want you to know I'm mentioning these tools so you can watch this video, but also go take action. Because as much as I love you watching my videos, I want you to actually succeed and make money with your digital product business. Okay, so now that you have all that set up, you're going to need a checkout page so that people can actually purchase your digital product. And what you're going to, again, I use System.io for this. And what you're going to want to do is create a checkout page so that it has a form people could put their name and email and credit card information. And inside that checkout page, you're going to list like the name of the product, what's included, the price, everything you need to know, and answer all their questions. And just like a checkout page, just think of any time you ever bought anything online. It's going to look like that. System.io has a ton of checkout page templates included with your free account. But once you have that ready, you're going to want to actually create your digital product so that when people buy it, you can deliver it to them. And this is another way that we can largely use ChatGPT to our advantage. So if your digital product is an ebook, you can have ChatGPT help write a draft for your ebook. If your digital product is a course, you can have ChatGPT help draft all the scripts for your videos. You can also have ChatGPT help you create downloadable materials to supplement with your videos or your ebook or whatever it is you're selling. For example, I run a membership called Digital Product Income Academy, and you better believe that I use ChatGPT to help me script all of the videos, the training materials, and things inside of my membership. So what I do is I just list out a bunch of bullet points of all the things I want to cover, certain things I want to make sure are in there, and then I ask ChatGPT to turn it into a video script. And then I'm able to go through that script to the draft and just perfect it. And usually, I don't need to make that many tweaks, which is so crazy. Like the more you make scripts and you use the same ChatGPT message, it really learns who you are and what you're about. And it gets better and better the more you use it. And once you have that digital product created, then you can host it on System.io or you can host it with Google Drive. It's totally up to you. Again, System.io has tons of click-by-click tech tutorials free on their website, and you can get your free account in the link in the description of this video. Now, I'm not trying to be harsh here, but with AI, digital products has never been easier. So if you've been like watching a ton of these videos or putting off doing this for months and months and years, I want to ask you, like, are you ever going to actually do it? I know that sounds harsh, but it's like, look, this has never been easier. Like when I first got started with digital products, I had to freaking hand code WordPress websites. Like we didn't have tools like System.io, so we had to make our own contact forms using code. Like it was so much harder. We didn't have tools like Canva. We certainly didn't have Chat freaking GPT. Like it's so much easier now than ever. So if you've been putting this off, ask yourself why. Why are you putting it off? This is the easiest it's ever been, and by growing your own following, you're going to be able to stand out by being you, and that's freaking awesome. You're not going to have to compete with all the other listings on Etsy, all the other listings on Amazon, all the other listings on whatever website. People are going to buy from you because they like you. Just like with my following. There's a ton of other people teaching digital products and how to make money online, but people buy from me because they relate to me. They find that they like my teaching style, for whatever reason. So again, what are you waiting for? What are you actually going to do after watching this video? Because just watching videos and sucking up knowledge is a form of procrastination after a while if you haven't actually taken action. So comment below. What's going to be your first step of action? Is it downloading one of the freebies in the description below? Is it downloading your free System.io account? Is it importing my free digital product funnel template? Is it making your own freebie? Is it posting your first YouTube video? What is it going to be? Let me know in the comments below because I'm rooting for you and I want you to know that you can absolutely do this. So now that you know, in my opinion, what's the laziest way to make money online using AI, you might be wondering how to create and sell your own ebook in 24 hours or less. Well, it all starts with watching this video popping up on your screen right now. Because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Stay blessed.